Hello everybody. Today we are going to look at how to add your mini map to the display inside whatever vehicle you want to put it in. Today we're just going to use a tractor because they have a variety of displays that we can use. So here you can see that the map doesn't matter. We can drive around. The map doesn't change. Kind of stays just the same image over and over. And then this one, you can see the map has now changed. It rotates as we drive. It displays the current map in which you're on. So today we're going to look at how we actually add that, but you can hopefully follow along and do this for yourself. So one of the first tools you're going to need is to download Giants Editor 9.0.6. You can find this at Giants Developer Network. You need to create an account to do it, but it's free, it doesn't cost anything, and it's easy to use once you kind of get the hang of it. It will take a little while. The next program that you're going to need is a text editing software. Most commonly, you're going to use Notepad++, as it is a free program and fairly easy to use. You'll need to find a tractor which you want to add it to. Today we're going to do the case magnum. Right click, click extract. And then you're going to want to download the Dashboard Live mod also. We're going to extract that. All right, now that they're both extracted, go ahead, open the mod, find which mod you want to, which version, I guess, you want to add. Open it. It will open with Giants Editor. Now that the mod is open, using the scroll wheel on your mouse to move forward and back, hold the right mouse button to move left and right. And here's our screen that we are going to edit. Next, we're going to open the Dashboard Live mod. In here, you'll see utils, which is short for utilities. Extract that, or open that, sorry. Then you're going to open dbl underscore mesh library. And in that, you're going to open the i3D that says dbl minimap plane. As you can see, there is nothing here. That's nothing wrong with the file or anything like that. If you just click on the mini map, you'll see now it highlights right in the very middle. Click File, Export Selection with File. Then you're going to go into your mod that you are currently working on. Open the textures file. Right click, create a new file. Name it DBL, all in capitals. Open that folder. And now it's going to ask you to create a file name. Just write Minimap. But it's going to say export with files. Do you want to get the parent directory structure? Yes. Do you want to keep all relative path? Yes. We are completely done with this window now. So you can just close it, open your mod up again, expand your scenograph so that you can see where your screen actually is. If you click on them, they will show what they're in. And this is the one that we're going to work with. Then we're going to go File, Import. Make sure your file is correct. Import the mini map that we put in there. Now it appears over here. So you kind of look around, you will see it somewhere on the ground. Click Control B. And using your cursor, just click on the screen you want. You'll notice your little arrow around it is circles. Kind of manipulate it, spin it around to move it to where you want. This part will take a little bit of time to get it placed just right. Once you have it where you want it and you're happy with the placement and how far it is, go up, drop it in there. This one we are going to delete because it won't change anything to do with the mod as it's at the end of the child group. We can save it and just leave it open. Next, you're going to open the XML document for the mod that you're working on. And scroll all the way to the bottom. At the end of the i3D mapping, on the last i3D mapped, hit enter, copy the line directly above it. You're going to paste 2 lines. Gonna open the i3D up so that you can see it. Click on DBL map plane, highlight the name. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste it in the overwrite the first one. I'm going to copy the index path. And you're going to go down to where it says DBL map position. Do the same thing. And again, copy the index path. If at all possible, always copy and paste. This way you avoid any spelling mistakes. Mods are extremely case sensitive. So if you get something wrong, you could look for a very long time on where to find it. And you're going to look for the dashboards group. It's much easier if everything is minimized. So in dashboards, the very end of the group highlights both at the end of the group, create a new line. All you have to do is hit enter. Go into dashboard live, open XML, vanilla dashboards. Scroll all quite a ways down or all the way to the bottom. You'll see one that says dashboard live and it'll say Minimap. Highlight those, command inside the vanilla dashboards XML for dashboard live. I'm going to copy it down here, paste. And where it says node, these are not the coordinates that yours is at. Go down to where we added it in the bottom. Copy DBL map plane. And overwrite what's there. Do the same thing for the next one, DBL map position. Overwrite what's there. Save it. And load the game. Now we're just going to tab over to our lovely little case magnum. We now have a working mini map inside the tractor. So you can get rid of the one in the corner. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you for joining me. Have a good night.